You won't believe how easy it is to get rid of blackheads. Blackheads are a common issue for many people. This unsightly problem is quite challenging to get rid of. They become darker due to the oxygen in the air. There are some blackheads that can be removed easily, but there are some which can create a larger pore opening. They can also enter the skin deeply and shouldn't be pinched. Hence, instead of using some harsh and expensive treatments and products, you should try a natural alternative. We decided to present you a permanent and natural solution for blackheads. It is effective, and the results can be seen right after the treatment. Natural solution for blackheads. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of mint toothpaste, a toothbrush, 1 teaspoon of salt, small container. Instructions: first, you should mix the salt and the mint toothpaste to get a homogeneous mixture. Then, apply it to the area with blackheads and leave it for 5 minutes to dry. Next, add some water and take a soft toothbrush. Gently massage the area in circular motion. Finish by rinsing the area with cold water. Why is this method so effective? The salt will exfoliate the skin due to the natural antibiotic properties. It doesn't dissolve in toothpaste, which makes it the perfect solution for blackheads. On the other hand, peppermint toothpaste will open the pores and kill all of the bacteria. Moreover, this combination will clean the pores deeply and eliminate the blackheads. It will also prevent the appearance of new ones. Notes: it is likely that your nose becomes red, but this isn't something you should worry about. Moreover, if you have dry skin, make sure you use a hydrant cream after the treatment. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.